What does it mean to live consciously? To live consciously means that you are creating your life consciously rather than drifting along passively. It means you're aware of your true desires and you're able to direct your energy for the progressive realization of those desires. Also, it means that you're becoming aware of any negative beliefs or thought patterns, releasing them so that they don't pull you down. Above all, make conscious choices. After much pondering, it takes willful effort, energy, and constant vigilance to think about your choices. For those who would like to live more consciously, here are some tips. Regularly reflect on your life's routine. To make it easy, maintain a daily or weekly journal. At the same time, in the same journal, maintain your life's goals and your relations with people. Keep reviewing them on regular basis. Express your forgiveness, apology, and appreciation to improve them. Time is the most fragile yet concrete thing in the world. Be wary of how you spend time. Make sure that right habits occupy your time. Spend ample time focusing on your personal growth. If you want to live a conscious life, be sure to choose values that define you positively. Positive values raise consciousness. Choose courage, desire, compassion, knowledge, physical activity, and intention over cowardice, apathy, cruelty, ignorance, irrationality, and passivity. Self-awareness is the root of living a conscious life. It gives you an awareness to make right decisions. When emotions like anger or depression press the red button, allow them to take a step back. Let your conscious awareness evaluate what and why you're feeling, what you're feeling, and feel more empowered, rather than at the mercy of your emotions. Living a conscious life will help you to control and budget your finances effectively. When you have the control and self-awareness of how to spend your money, you don't make trivial purchases whenever you want. Living a conscious life is not something you can change overnight. Living consciously is a lifestyle, a skill, an art. It has to become a habit that you can form for the rest of your life. If you like this video, keep following our space.